Hey guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on the patio. Today I'm smoking the Savinelli Extra 320 KS. It's my oldest 320. This one doesn't have a filter at all in it. It's not even made for a filter. It's a non-filtered pipe. So we got a new dog. Another greyhound. Well, it's not official yet. We are doing a trial run with the dog, just to see how she does with the cat. So far, so good. Nobody's spilt blood on either side. So, Kodak and the cat are doing great. They have come to an understanding, and they're great together. They have no problems at all being together. The new dog does have an interest in the cat. And the cat has no interest in the dog whatsoever. There's been a lot of hissing. Which was the same thing we had with the cat and Kodak. So we just need to do the same thing with this dog's name will be Clover. If we keep it, it'll be Clover. And they're chasing each other around the yard right now. But we just got to get the cat and the new dog, used to each other. Meadow, the cat's name is Meadow. Meadow and Kodak are fine with each other. They don't have any problems at all. They interact with each other, and there's no problems whatsoever. So we just need to do the same things with the cat and Clover and get them used to being around each other. The dog hasn't tried to attack the cat at all. It just has come here buddy, come here, let's say hi to everybody. So this is Clover here, cute little brindle. It's a beautiful dog, very happy, very friendly, very happy, sweet little girl. And she's gonna fit in just fine here. But we're just kind of right now just letting them know each other's in the house. And then tomorrow we'll start. We've had her for about 2 days. We got her on Sunday, I think it was. Saturday. Sunday, I guess it was Sunday we got her. And Saturday or Sunday, I don't remember which day. 3 days we've had her. And so we've just let her and the cat get to know that the other one's in the house with the, they're both in the house together. And then tomorrow we'll start the actual introduction process with each other. Where they will be brought together, well, in the same room. So today I'm smoking some Dark Flake Scented from Galworth and Hogarth. So that's the latest going on here. Sadie is fine. She is doing great. She's back to work, back to school. She's doing good. So thank you for everybody who was praying for her. Everybody else in the family here at the house is doing great. Nobody else seemed to be affected by it. Sadie did a great job isolating herself. She wore a mask the entire time she was sick and stayed in her room, except to use the restroom and shower, and did a good job disinfecting after herself, and we all seem to be just fine. So we're all thankful for the prayers and everything, and so we are all good. We're all whole, healthy, and good here. So that's the latest. I'll be doing another video in a few minutes here to put up later. Package that I got from Father John came, and I want to do a video for that. That's what this video was supposed to be. I left the package in the house, started the video, and I thought, well, I'll just do a separate video for that. I'm old and I'm forgetful, and so I will go in and get that out, and we'll do a video for that one by itself. But beautiful day. It's about 44 degrees. Sun is shining, beautiful blue skies. Dogs are having fun running around. Clover is laying down out in here in the grass right now, and Kodak just went around the corner. He likes to do his business in private, so he goes off either off to the far end of the yard or around the corner here. But beautiful day. So that's it from here. So I'll be signing off. I'll go ahead and grab that immense package from Father John and bring it out here and get that going. But I wanted to just do this and introduce you to Clover. Looks like she's going to be staying with us. So that's Mckinley's dog. She bought that dog. Our next door neighbor went away for a month to India and asked Mckinley to watch her dog. So Mckinley's been going over there and taking care of their dog every day, and she came home and gave her enough to buy a dog. So a dog and a desk. So she's happy. So I will catch y'all later. Have a good one. We didn't get that old desk, by the way, that old 1800s desk. That one, we went and looked at it, and it was not a desk that would have worked for Mckinley. So she wound up with the first desk she saw that she really loved. And she wound up dickering with the lady and got it way down in price and wound up buying it. And that was the one she loved the best anyway. So she got the one she wanted for less money than any of the other prices she was looking at. So she got the best deal for the one she wanted. So good for her. And she didn't want to haggle. I told her, you gotta haggle, man. You can't pay full price on these. So she did. So, and she got a great deal on it. Well, anyway, I will catch you guys later. God bless. Have a good one, and I'll catch you later.